Hey you guys, hi everyone. How is everyone doing? I'm over here making my DIY detergent, and I thought I'd turn the camera on real quick and give you a quick little tutorial of how I make it. I just ran out of my other one that I made about 5 months ago, and I have to use quite a bit more than what I've liked. I think this could have stretched out a little bit more, but since I have little kids and little ones, they might have accidents or things like that. I wash a lot more than a typical anyone with that don't have as much spills and accidents and things like that, or too many loads of laundry to do or something like that. This particular laundry detergent that I make in this 5-gallon bucket, okay, 5-gallon bucket, it could last up to a year for us and for other people. But you can also split this 5-gallon bucket and make it into a 10-gallon supply of detergent, and you can do that by concentrating the detergent. So you pour it into a gallon container and fill it up halfway with your detergent. After it's done and made, you fill it up halfway with the detergent, and then you add more water to it to dilute it a little more, but you don't have to do that. That's if you want to make it stretch and make it into 10 gallons, and it works just fine with adding the water to it as well. Like your clothes and stuff still get clean, but the supplies of the products that I use are just two simple products that works really good. You can get the soap, a bar soap, and they come in solid form, and they come in like a already shaved form, which it makes it a little bit easier to melt a little faster than the bar form. But either way, it's however you see fit to do it. You can get those two, and you can also use, I think, like Napa soap, and there's probably other different soaps that you can use, but this is what I've found and did research on, that I've used, and found that it's been doing really good for us. So I'm gonna keep continuing to do it, because detergent is like 20 bucks. 20 bucks for a container of detergent. Yeah, we ain't doing it. So I'm making my own detergent for around 6 bucks for 5 gallons, possibly 10 gallons, because that's what I've been doing. I've been stretching mine out. I've been diluting it, so I've gotten 10 gallons out of this one bucket for 6 bucks. So yeah, you're gonna need the soap, and then you're gonna need to get either one of these. Make sure it's washing soda though. Washing soda, the laundry booster Arm & Hammer, really good. And then, or borax. So you're gonna use a cup of which one you use, and dilute it in the water. And they also have a white and a pink soap, and I think the white one smells a little bit better to me. This one's a lot stronger than the white one, of the pink one. But yeah, the white one, it still has that fresh, clean scent to it, smell, but it's not as strong as this pink one. So I'm gonna keep that in mind too. I will be buying the white soap instead of this pink one. Yeah, smell the soap first before you buy it. Some you like, and then again, like I said, you can add your own oils and stuff to it to make it whatever scent you want to make it smell. Alright, so this is about 2 gallons right here. Stir it up. And this is where I'm going to put either my cup of washing soda in or my borax. And I think I have much left of this to use as a cup, so I'm just going to go ahead and just use this 1 cup of borax to pour in, and then add the rest of the water. So You need 5 gallons of water. I put 2.5 in here, so there's 2 gallons. Then I got another 2, that'll be 4.5, and then just add another half of water. Stir it up really good so that the borax can evaporate, dilute, get mixed in well with the soap and everything. And as you keep stirring it throughout the day, these bubbles would, you know, disappear, go away, subside, and as you can see, there won't be any bubbles. So yeah, don't worry about the bubbles. Just want to stir it, rig it up. What it looks like. Probably need to stir it up a little better. This has been sitting for about 2 months. So break it up, get it moving. But this is what it turns out to look like.